Good day from Australia, Towbars Performance. Today we had the pleasure working on a brand new BMW 530D. That's a G30 model. And what we have done, we've installed a Westfalia Invisible quick release detachable towbar. At the moment the towbar is attached and the wiring is visible. If you want to hide the wiring, it hides nicely inside the bumper. And if you want to remove the towbar, you can pretty much do it with one hand. Once the towbar is removed, as you can see, it becomes completely invisible. These towbars are designed and engineered in Germany, come with a lifetime warranty, and they are the top quality product. They are also considered a genuine BMW towbars, as well as the 13-pin wiring. If you need a towbar for your BMW, feel free to contact Australia Towbars Performance on 07 5479 5555, and our friendly crew will look after you with your needs. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.